What is your name?
My name is Emily.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love teaching.
What subjects do you teach?
I teach English and history.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's his name?
His name is David.
Is he older than you?
No, he is younger.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like the city?
Yes, it's very exciting.
What's your favorite food?
I love Italian food.
Can you cook?
Yes, but only simple dishes.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go jogging every morning.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink 1 cup every day.
How do you go to work?
I take the subway.
Is it crowded?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I relax on weekends.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to start my own business.
What kind of business?
A small cafe or bakery.
That sounds nice. Where would you open it?
Maybe in my hometown or a busy city.
Do you have savings for that?
Not yet, but I'm working hard to save money.
How long will it take?
Hopefully, within the next 5 years.
Will you study baking first?
Yes, I plan to take a course next year.
Where will you study?
At a culinary school in France.
France? That's far. Will you stay there long?
Just for 6 months, then I'll come back.
Do you want to travel more in the future?
Yes, I'd love to visit Japan and Italy too.
For work or just fun?
Mostly for fun, but maybe to learn new recipes.
Will you hire employees for your cafe?
Yes, but only a few at first.
What if the business fails?
Then I'll try again or find a job in a hotel.
Do you see yourself married in the future?
Maybe, but not soon. I want to focus on work first.